In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Higround keyboard software. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best thing to do is open up a web browser and then go to their official website. So the official website for Higround is higround.co. And then from here, once you're on their site, go ahead and click on Forge App. Then if we scroll down here, it's going to say Higround Forge App. So this supports devices for Basecamp software. So what we want to do is click onto Forge App, and that's going to redirect us to app.higround.co. Now once we're here, we want to go ahead and click onto Find Device. So go ahead and click on Find Device, and it's going to see if you've got a Higround compatible device keyboard connected. And then once you connect your keyboard, you can customize it. So as you can see, we can customize the keyboard lighting, the side lighting. We've also got the colors, the brightness, the speed. So yeah, also we've got keybinds here, so we can customize keybinds. And also we've got settings.